Good morning, students. This is our picture dictionary class. Okay, in picture dictionary, what we are going to read today? Beach. Okay, about beach. Take out page number 33. Beach. Beach means sea, shore. Okay, means there will be sea and here sand. That shore is known as beach, where people go, children go, everybody go, and what they do, they play, they take bath, they sit, they do picnic. Okay, so in water they do surfing or play with ball, this kind of thing they do. So this is beach. So first one, in beach, what it is? This is a sun. What it is showing? Sun. And this bird name is seagull. Seagull. Okay. Sun, seagull. Then see, this is water. This water is sea. Here it is written sea. Okay. On sea, what it is there? Sailboat. Okay. Somebody is sailing sailboat. Then they are playing first water scooter. With water scooter, he is surfing on water. Then this one, surfboard. This boat is known as surfboard. With this surfboard, the person who is doing is known as surfer. Okay, on the waves of sea, they do this thing. Then this one, swim tube. By taking this tube, he will never be drowned. Okay. Then see, this is a lighthouse. This one is a lighthouse. Okay. Then lifeguard. This person is known as lifeguard. He will watch anything unhappening, unwanted things are not going on, or somebody is in problem. Okay. Next one. This is a lifeguard stand. What it is? Lifeguard stand. Then see, sunbed. These are sunbed. Okay. Then this boy is sitting on a mat. What? Where? Mat. Okay. Then see this too. Here the girl is wearing what? Sun hat. What she is wearing? Sun hat. Then the boy is making sand castle. What is making? Sand castle. Then this one is a shove for picking up the sand. And this one is a bucket. What it is? Bucket. Okay. Then here it is a beach ball. With the ball we play on the beach is known as beach ball. Then umbrella. This is a umbrella, and this chair is known as deck chair. What is known as deck chair? Okay. This is a snail. Then this one is a sand. The boy is wearing sunglasses. What he is wearing? Sunglasses. Then shells. These are shells. Okay. So one more time we are going to repeat. We have done. Understand? Now again I am repeating. This is sun. This is seagull. Okay. Bird name. Then this is a lighthouse. Water scooter, sailboat, surfboard, surfer, and this is a sea. This is swim tube. This one is a lifeguard, and this stand is known as lifeguard stand. This one is known as sunbed. What it is known as? Sunbed. Then this one is a mat. What it is? Mat. This one, sun hat. This one, sand castle. This one, bucket. This one shove. Then umbrella, beach ball, deck chair, snail, sand, sunglasses. These are shells. Understand everybody? Okay. Now we are going to revise the previous one. These pictures. This is a restaurant. Okay. You have to learn that beach. Then for revision, I am doing this neighborhood restaurant. What things are there? Chair, cup, table, waiter and flower vase. This one is a florist shop. So florist is there, bouquet, customers. Next, this one is a school. This is a school building, school bus, students, flag, playground, slide. This is a picture of a classroom. Blackboard, whiteboard, teacher, students, table, chair, chalk, duster, clock, chart, globe, bookshelf, and these are decks. Next, this is a playground. What things are there? Swing, merry-go-round, skipping rope, slide, monkey bars, seesaws. Okay. Next, this one is a fire station. So fire station, what thing is? This is a fire engine. Then siren, ladder, fire extinguisher, firefighter. Okay, firefighter. Then this one is a post office. What it is? Post office. First one is a clerk. This is a notice board. It is a letter box, parcel, postman. Okay. Next, this is a airport. Aeroplane is there. Luggage is there. Luggage trolley is there. Air hostess is there. Okay. Understand? Turn the page. This is a picture of a police station. What? Police station. This is policeman and this is the police chief. Next, this is a picture of a hospital. In hospital, who are there? Doctor and patient. Doctor is wearing which machine? Stethoscope. And patient have to take medicine. This is a chart. Next, this one is a railway station. What it is? Railway station. So in railway station, what things are there? Train, luggage, water, passenger. Okay, water, passenger, train, luggage. Then here departmental store. Departmental store, cashier is there. This is a trolley. This one is customer. Okay. Then this is a bus stop. What it is? Bus stop. In bus stop, this is a bus stand. These are passenger. This is a bus. And who is driving the bus is the driver. And the last is a bank. Okay. First one is a clerk. And this one is a counter. These all are what? Counter. This one is a customer. Understand? So you have to learn these pages. Go through it properly. Okay? You have understand? These are the neighborhood places. When I am going to ask what is this, you have to say. Then in beach, I will ask you what things are there. Either without seeing them, tell me 5 things which we found in a beach. We get sand, sea, sailboat. Okay. Then lifeguard stand, sandcastle, hat, sun hat, goggles, Like this you learn 5 to 6 words. Okay, so today's teaching over, students. Thank you.